Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best camera monitors that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Feelworld on-camera field monitor. Its almost 6 inches IPS screen and HDMI quality provides you with a view that is out of this world. You also get 1400:1 contrast along with 170 degrees of viewing angles. Its thin design and lightweight make this the perfect travel companion when you got out looking for that one-in-a-million photo. Then its advanced features let you make the adjustments you need for that great shot. Moving on at number 4, we have the Bestview S7 4K camera monitor DSLR HDMI HD 7 inches video field monitor TFT LCD 1920x1200 for Sony Canon Nikon Olympus. Another affordable option with a wide view angle IPS panel and LED backlight. It supports video and HDMI input and output with other equipment. It comes with most equipment that you need in the package. 4K HDMI 7-inch field monitor use IPS 1920x1200 high-resolution wide viewing angle hard screen technology. Physical resolution 1920x1200. Bestview professional color technology. True color high definition. No color cast accurate distortion. Shooting images showing real sporty. Perfectly support for all signal formats. Compatible with almost all professional camcorder of the market. At number 3, we have the Neewer Camera Field Monitor Kit. Everything you need to take great quality photos is included in this kit except your digital camera. You get a high-quality 1280x800 resolution monitor with SunGuard. Plus, you get all the attachments and cables you need for stills and videos. As well as a USB charger to keep your rechargeable battery full of power. You even get a carry case to protect your camera monitor and its valuable additions. At number 2, we have the Feelworld video monitor. The 1220:1 contrast enables you to see clearly what you are shooting with your camera. Then, 1920x1200 resolution keeps your image sharp and highly focused. Its thin design, 17mm, does not stop this camera monitor from doing its job well. All the adjustment buttons are easily accessed. One touch and you get the perfect image you are targeting. The SunGuard keeps the glare away. And finally at number 1, we have the Lilliput A7's Full HD 7-inch monitor with 4 Kelvin's camera assist. This camera is perfect with its compact lightweight and the package that comes with a silicone rubber case providing overall protection from drop shock. You can edit your film work by using the assist functions that are included with this camera monitor. Then if you need a steady view, you can mount it to your camera. It also comes with a load of accessories to enhance your photo shooting skills. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.